Yes, come in.
Thank you. Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Take a seat, Akshat.
Thank you, sir. But I, sir, in my opinion, I do not think that can be a blanket statement as such departments. And sir, we also have to work on the service citizen interface. So, right, sir. So it.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Akshat,
Right, sir.
did you take any
Right.
innovative?
Akshat.
Sir.
Akshat, you studied draws its power from. We know police is a state subject.
Right, sir. So February.
Akshat, you belong to Jain community.
Yes, ma'am.
I was observing that in literacy there is 90% of females are literate in Jain community, yet only very few are working.
Right, ma'am.
So what does it show about the culture of Jain community?
Actually, ma'am, this is
Jain got this minority status after so long. It's only recently they have got this status, while other minorities are recognized as minorities.
that they cannot afford to take out the pipe and then catch their breath outside. So any particular solution for them?
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Akshat, so when you innovate a new design, do you get patent or what? Which kind of intellectual property rights you get?
Sir, it is not necessary that your work involves a patent. It can be a simple solution. It has to, sir, address. Sir, industrial design basically, again, sir, you are solving mainly an engineering problem, innovation. Then, sir, you go for that particular.
Is there any difference between the patent and industrial design?
Exact design feature.
What do you think about 3D printing and which are the areas where 3D printing can be very helpful?
It is being used in the fields of engineering and sir, even in advanced fields like bio. 3D printing is one area which has a huge potential in solving the needs.
In nanotechnology, we use a term assembler and replicator.
Sir,
Are you aware of that?
No, sir, I'm not aware of it.
Even we have gone beyond 3D printing. Nowadays, the news is coming that we have developed 4D printing. What is the concept of 4D printing?
Sir, I've not heard about
The environmental hazard.
Right, sir.
Can you tell me something about that?
Yes, sir. So these plastic microbeads are generally found in your cosmetic products in general, and sir, the hazard is that these are non-biodegradable. So they often end up in the soil, they often end up in the marine sources like in the oceans, and there they contaminate the environment, and that is, they affect the entire ecosystem. So sir, that is basically the hazard.
Nowadays, the new environmental threat.
Yes, sir. So I am aware that because of this, the countries like USA and Canada, they are facing sub-freezing temperatures that has been unprecedented.
It is
This
just
is not the
reverse.
case because the global warming is about climate change, and so this is a weather phenomena. So this is a one-time phenomena, and so global warming has brought in a long-term change. So for example, already in the past century, we have since the Industrial Revolution, we have seen that global temperatures on an average, they have been rising at an unprecedented level. So we cannot compare this with one particular event that has happened in this particular season. So I think
I'll gift a car. And the girl's father want to gift a car to the girl.
say to him is that please keep your car, because all I want is your daughter, and that I can
But
myself.
daughter is also willing to get that.
So daughter is willing to get that, I agree. But sir, what I'll say to her is that we don't need that particular car. So we have our own benefits, and therefore we do not need. I'll feel.
Akshat,
Sir.
give me 3 reasons why we should not select you.
So I don't think there's
Thank
any
you very
reason.
much.
Thank you,
Interview is over. You may go now.
sir. Okay, sir.
We go now.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am.
So, how was it? What is your assessment?
Sir, I think it was good. So there were certain areas where I lacked, for example, in anthropology, which I felt that through proper revision, I could have given better answers. And sir, what was your opinion?
7th March.
Yes.
Lot of
Oh
time.
my
Lot
goodness,
of time.
lot
Lot
of
of time.
time.
Then you see, big advantage for you. You come from a very good background, family background, like harangued and understanding the subject.
Okay, sir.
So try to make it
More
crisp.
brief. Right, sir.
What question? I mean, offhand I can't tell you how to work on that, but you may understand that you
It
said
sounds
that
very
no.
evasive rather than convincing.
A better way of, if you ask me, if somebody
sir.
had asked me this question, I would have said, "Ki, sir,
Try next year.
then I'll try next year."
Okay, sir.
That is a
More humble.
more humble. Here it shows your arrogance. You dare
basically,
me not.
Right. What I wanted to say was that I have my problems, but I am ready to work on
we,
them.
we
and
we understood
I'm-
your point of view.
Right.
It's the way how you react.
Right, sir. So I'll
So it's the same thing you are saying. Same thing. You are still not. Approach has to be humble.
Right, sir.
From particularly from a young boy like you,
Yes, sir.
because you guys have a lot of enthusiasm and all that. So it is good for you also. So all those qualities are there.
Right, sir.
So I don't think any reason why
person
you should
sitting
not.
here, they are judging you. Okay?
Right, sir.
So that's the most important thing.
So why?
So that proposing of the glass.
That was really good. That was really good.
See,
We really
these,
liked
these
it.
questions are the questions which actually give you marks, and there are no losses. I mean, these are
And so one more thing is that this elitist perception that sometimes people have about me. So how can I actually try to?
You got to avoid it.
So, but
other people
Right,
were
so
not
from-
really from that privileged background.
sir.
So I do. I mean.